Hey everyone, I'm Honor from DiesInEveryFilm Customs. If you find this video interesting, then please don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on my weekly uploads. Stick around till the end for some testing and outtakes. Thank you. Thank you for watching me make this tiny little sword from rusty old chain that I found outside. I'm not quite sure what I'm actually going to call this sword yet. It did start out as a katana, but I just don't think it looks like a katana by the end of it. But if you're watching this part, then you'll have seen the title and you know exactly what it's called. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, then hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified when future videos come out. And don't forget as well to give it a thumbs up, give it a share and leave a comment. Let me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. I've got loads planned, but it's always interesting to read your comments and I like to speak to you all. While you're here, look in the description where you'll find links to my sponsors and my social media pages. So head on over there, give me a follow. I'm quite active on all my social media, especially on Instagram, so follow me on there. Get to see loads of behind the scenes stuff. And I also have a Patreon if you want to support me and help keep me making more videos, because everyone wants that, especially if you watch till the end. You probably want to see more videos. And I also have discount codes in there, so check those out and stick around for some outtakes, because I just can't ever seem to get it right. I've filmed this quite a few times. Yeah, stick around for some outtakes. Like it, share, subscribe. Subscribe is more important. Bell icon's important. See you next week for another video. Arrivederci. This. Fuck off. That's it. Fuck off. Oh, fuck off. Let me make this rusty sword. The old chain, the rusty old fuck off. Chain, the little fuck off. I don't really know what, fuck off. Rusty chain. Tiny. Let me make this look. Yeah, fuck off. I'm that, fuck off. I do, fuck off. Don't forget to, please, fuck off. Don't forget to, fuck off. The algorithm, fuck off. In the description, fuck off. Fuck off. Forget to give me a fucking then subscribe button and the bell, fuck off. Bye.